All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Farruko and Madiel collab on this song called Tiempos Buenos. So this is for my Spanish-speaking friends out there. Good times, that is what it translates into. And we're gonna handle this song with a capo on second. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have four chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. So we're gonna learn A, E, C sharp minor, and the B sus chord. So let's start with A. And it goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. If you want to, you can just place a bar on the second fret. Then if you do that, try to stay away from the last E string when you strum it. Or if you want to, you can also just mute it with the finger you're using there, laying on top of the E string. All right, that is the A. Let's go into E. That's the next chord, and it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. C sharp minor next, that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the fourth fret. You push down five strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. All right, you take the almost same grip and place it on this position. Index finger on the second fret, same strings, 5 strings, you push down them, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. That's the B sus chord. And that's the order of all the chords: A, E, C sharp, and B. Let's go into the final thing here, the strumming. So grab the first chord, A, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, up, clap, down. Down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. That's the first half, and then you have a pause in between this part and the next part, the second half. It goes just simply down, clap, down. And that's it. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And a couple rounds of this goes. And so on. All right, you're gonna play one of those per chord. So A1, E1, C sharp minor 1, and B sus 1 like this. Alright guys, so it has not been easier than this. It has, but anyway, it's very, very easy to play this song. A1, E1, C sharp minor, B1, from the beginning till the very end. Very easy to play and create music actually. That's all you need. A couple of chords and strumming pattern. So good luck with this one. Tiempos Buenos. Thank you so much and play tuned.